Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming what is consuming space and protecting your data. Open Settings, go to System then Storage to view the breakdown. This tells you where to focus. Make a quick backup to an external drive or cloud so you can restore anything accidentally removed. Next, create a system restore point via Control Panel's Recovery so Windows can be rolled back if needed. Once done, you're ready to remove temporary and large files safely and proceed to targeted cleanup steps. You move into the detailed execution. Enable and configure Storage Sense to automatically clear recycle bin and temp files, setting frequency and file age rules so maintenance runs without you. Then run Disk Cleanup as admin and choose Cleanup System Files to remove old Windows updates and installer leftovers. This reclaims gigabytes in many cases. After that, open Apps and Features and sort by size. Uninstall apps you no longer use. Make sure to check optional features and large games. You finalize the cleanup by optimizing storage layout and moving remaining large files. Use optimized drives to confirm trim is active for SSDs. Do not defragment SSDs normally. Change default save locations to an external or cloud drive so new files won't fill system storage. If you still don't see freed space, run chkdsk to detect disk errors and use Windows Repair or Reset components. This fixes ghost files and reporting bugs. One troubleshooting tip: if cleanup fails, reboot into safe mode and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.